Have you ever felt unfairly treated or unwelcome in a housing situation because of a disability and wondered what you could possibly do about it? It can be a very disheartening and frustrating experience. If you believe you have faced housing discrimination due to a disability, you have important legal protections and clear avenues to report it. The most direct ways to report are through the Department of Housing and Urban Development, often referred to as HUD, a state or local fair housing agency, or by pursuing a private lawsuit. These reporting mechanisms exist because the Fair Housing Act, a federal law, specifically prohibits discrimination in housing based on disability. This act defines disability broadly, covering physical or mental impairments that substantially limit one or more major life activities. It ensures that people with disabilities have an equal opportunity to enjoy and use their homes, by preventing landlords and housing providers from engaging in discriminatory practices. To effectively report discrimination, your first step is to gather all relevant information. Document specific dates, times, and locations of incidents. Write down the names of any individuals involved and what was said or done. Collect copies of any communication, such as emails, texts, or denied rental applications. Once you have this information, you can file a formal complaint with HUD online, by mail, or by phone. Alternatively, you can contact a local fair housing organization, which can often provide guidance and assistance with the complaint process in your area. It is important to remember that the Fair Housing Act also requires housing providers to make reasonable accommodations and allow reasonable modifications for people with disabilities. This could include things like allowing a service animal, even if there is a no-pet policy, or allowing you to install a ramp at your own expense. Keeping detailed records is paramount for any complaint. Even if HUD does not pursue your case, you may still have the option to pursue a private right of action in court. Reporting disability housing discrimination is not just about protecting your own rights. It is a vital step in ensuring fair and equitable housing opportunities for all. By taking action, you help enforce the law, hold discriminatory parties accountable, and contribute to a more inclusive housing market, building generational wealth and avoiding common mistakes.